The caiman is a reptile belonging to the Alligatoridae family, closely related to alligators and crocodiles. Found primarily in Central and South America, caimans inhabit freshwater environments such as rivers, swamps, and marshes. These semi-aquatic creatures have adapted well to their habitats, with their streamlined bodies, webbed feet, and strong tails making them excellent swimmers. While they may resemble alligators, caimans are generally smaller and have a more V-shaped snout. They also possess a bony ridge between their eyes, which is a distinguishing feature. There are 6 species of caimans, including the spectacled caiman, named for the bony ridge between its eyes that looks like spectacles. Another notable species is the black caiman, the largest of all caimans, capable of growing over 4 meters long. The dwarf caimans are the smallest, usually reaching around 1.2 to 1.5 meters. Despite their varying sizes, all caiman species are carnivorous, feeding on fish, amphibians, birds, and small mammals. Larger species, like the black caiman, can even prey on larger animals, including capybaras and deer. Caimans play a crucial role in their ecosystems as top predators, helping to maintain the balance of aquatic food chains. They are mostly nocturnal hunters, relying on their excellent night vision and sensitive pressure receptors on their jaws to detect prey in the dark waters. During the day, they can often be seen basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Like other crocodilians, caimans lay eggs in nests made of vegetation, and mother caimans fiercely protect their young from predators, including birds and other reptiles. While caimans are generally not considered as dangerous to humans as some larger crocodile species, they can still be aggressive if threatened. Some species, especially the black caiman, have been known to attack humans, though such incidents are rare. Habitat destruction and illegal hunting for their skin have threatened some caiman populations, though conservation efforts and legal protections have helped them remain relatively stable. However, ongoing environmental changes continue to pose risks to their survival in the wild. Caimans produce a variety of vocalizations and sounds to communicate with each other, particularly during mating, territorial disputes, and parental care. Like other crocodilians, they rely on low-frequency bellows, growls, and hisses to convey messages. These sounds are often used to establish dominance, warn off rivals, or attract potential mates. Male caimans, especially during the breeding season, emit deep, resonant bellows that travel through water and air, signaling their presence to other males and females. The vibrations created by these calls can even be felt in the water, serving as a powerful display of strength. Juvenile caimans are highly vocal, using short, high-pitched calls to communicate with their mother and siblings. These chirping sounds are especially important after hatching, as baby caimans call out from inside their eggs to signal that they are ready to hatch. This triggers the mother to help dig them out of the nest and carry them to the water. Once in the water, young caimans continue to use these sounds to stay close to their mother, who fiercely protects them from predators. If a baby caiman is threatened, it will emit distress calls, prompting the mother to respond quickly to defend her offspring. Aside from vocalizations, caimans also produce sounds through body movements, such as slapping their tails on the water or splashing to assert dominance or startle intruders. Hissing is another common sound, often used as a warning when a caiman feels threatened. This behavior is seen in both young and adult caimans when confronted by predators or humans. These vocal and non-vocal sounds are crucial for survival, helping caimans communicate effectively in their often murky and densely vegetated habitats. Aside from vocalizations, caimans also produce sounds through body movements, such as slapping their tails on the water or splashing to assert dominance or startle intruders. Hissing is another common sound, often used as a warning when a caiman feels threatened. This behavior is seen in both young and adult caimans when confronted by predators or humans. These vocal and non-vocal sounds are crucial for survival, helping caimans communicate effectively in their often murky and densely vegetated habitats. Caimans are carnivorous reptiles with a diverse diet that varies depending on their species, size, and habitat. As opportunistic hunters, they feed on whatever prey is available in their environment, ranging from small invertebrates to large mammals. Their diet consists mainly of fish, amphibians, birds, reptiles, and small mammals, though larger species, such as the black caiman, are capable of taking down bigger prey, including capybaras, deer, and even other caimans. Juvenile caimans primarily consume insects, small fish, crustaceans, and amphibians as they develop the strength to handle larger prey. As they grow, their diet expands to include frogs, turtles, snakes, and birds, allowing them to take advantage of a wide range of food sources. Adult caimans rely heavily on fish, but they are also known to scavenge carrion and prey on weakened or sick animals when the opportunity arises. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth help them crush hard shells and tear apart flesh, making them efficient hunters. Larger caiman species, such as the spectacled caiman and the black caiman, exhibit ambush hunting behavior, lying in wait near the water's edge before lunging at unsuspecting prey. They use their powerful tails to propel themselves forward in the water, giving them the speed needed to capture fast-moving prey. Black caimans, in particular, are at the top of the food chain in their habitats and can even prey on monkeys, wild boars, and caimans of smaller species. Caimans play a crucial role in their ecosystems by helping control fish and amphibian populations, preventing overpopulation and maintaining ecological balance. While they are skilled hunters, they also scavenge when necessary, taking advantage of carcasses they come across. Their diet adaptability allows them to thrive in various aquatic environments, from rainforest rivers to swamps and lakes, making them one of the most resilient predators in the wild. Caimans are semi-aquatic reptiles belonging to the Alligatoridae family, sharing many characteristics with alligators and crocodiles but having distinct features of their own. They have a compact, muscular body covered in tough, armored scales that provide protection against predators and environmental hazards. Their coloration varies from dark green to brown or black, helping them blend into their surroundings for effective camouflage. One key feature that distinguishes caimans from alligators is the bony ridge between their eyes, which gives some species, like the spectacled caiman, a spectacle-like appearance. Caimans are powerful swimmers, equipped with webbed feet and a strong, flattened tail that allows them to move swiftly through the water. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on top of their heads, enabling them to stay mostly submerged while keeping watch for prey and threats. This adaptation makes them efficient ambush predators, as they can remain hidden in the water before striking suddenly. Despite their aquatic nature, caimans are also capable of moving on land, using a high walk or belly crawl movement depending on the terrain. One of the most defining characteristics of caimans is their strong jaws, filled with sharp, conical teeth designed for gripping and tearing prey. They have an incredible bite force, allowing them to crush the shells of turtles, crabs, and other hard-shelled prey. Unlike mammals, caimans do not chew their food, instead, they swallow it whole or tear it into manageable pieces. Their digestive system is highly efficient, capable of breaking down tough materials like bones and cartilage. Caimans have a seasonal breeding pattern, typically coinciding with the rainy season, when water levels are higher and food is more abundant. This ensures that hatchlings have a greater chance of survival. The breeding season varies depending on the species and location, but generally occurs between May and August in most parts of their range. During the mating period, male caimans establish territories and compete for females through vocalizations, posturing, and occasional physical confrontations. Larger and stronger males dominate the breeding process, ensuring that only the fittest genes are passed on. Once a male attracts a female, courtship behaviors such as rubbing snouts, blowing bubbles, and gentle nipping occur before mating. Female caimans are highly protective mothers, a rare trait among reptiles. After mating, the female builds a nest made of vegetation, mud, and soil near the water's edge. The warmth generated by the decaying plant material helps incubate the eggs. Depending on the species, a female lays 10 to 60 eggs, which she carefully buries to keep them safe from predators such as birds, lizards, and mammals. The incubation period lasts about 65 to 90 days, and the temperature of the nest determines the sex of the hatchlings. Higher temperatures generally produce males, while lower temperatures result in females. As the eggs near hatching, the babies emit high-pitched chirping sounds from inside their shells, signaling the mother to uncover the nest and assist them in reaching the water. Even after hatching, mother caimans continue to guard their young, protecting them from predators for several weeks or even months. The hatchlings stay close together in groups, called pods, which offer them additional safety. Despite this parental care, only a small percentage of hatchlings survive to adulthood due to natural predators and environmental challenges. However, caimans have adapted well to their ecosystems, and their breeding strategies ensure population stability in the wild. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.